Hello students, Callie Daniels here. Let's take a look at the multimedia library within your MyLabMath course. Here you're going to find lots of help. If you would like to watch videos that are attached to each section of your textbook, you can select the media type section video lectures. If you would prefer to watch some PowerPoint presentations, I really like these, then you can select the PowerPoints. I think it's best if you will go ahead and select the section or at least the chapter of the book that you're currently working in. Now, our MyLabMath course has two textbooks embedded within it. There's a pre-algebra book which covers all these chapters called P1 through P10. But if we want to go to our textbook in chapter 1, scroll on down here to the number 1, the real number system, and let's find those now. So chapter 1 of our textbook, you've got a PowerPoint presentation for each section that you are welcome to watch, or if you prefer to watch a section lecture video, hey, I really recommend these as well. Basically, I just wanted to make you aware of where those are. If you want to purchase a printed version of your textbook, you can do that through the Print Offer tab in MyLabMath. Just make sure you select the Beginning and Intermediate Algebra 7th edition textbook. This will cost $49.99, and if you add that to your cart and purchase it, you can have it delivered directly to your home. It's kind of nice, and I really recommend that. Also, for those of you continuing on to intermediate algebra, you'll get to use that textbook for both courses, beginning and intermediate algebra. So it's a nice double whammy. Those are some extras, including the multimedia library in your MyLabMath course. Please do investigate those options and enjoy the math.